Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you love traveling in Australia, finding budget-friendly accommodation and good value for money is a boon. So if you are in Cairns and looking for an accommodation which is budget-friendly, kid-friendly and of good quality, then I would highly recommend Cairns Colonial Club Resort. Located in only 4 kilometers from the city, the Cairns Colonial Club Resort is a definite yes if you're traveling with kids. There is ample parking space if you have driven to Cairns. There is a 24-hour reception here, and the receptionists are happy to book any tours that you want to do around town. If you have arrived before your check-in time, then the waiting area and the lounge access is available for every customer. While you're waiting for your room to be ready, you can access the swimming pool here and have a shower in the lounge access to freshen yourself up after you're swimming. The first thing that I noticed about the resort was it was lush. There was greenery everywhere. But watch out for those pesky ants too. They are everywhere. We had booked a standard room, but it was much larger than most of the hotel rooms that we have been before. The bed was comfortable, and the bathroom had necessary body wash and other amenities. We were in the room that was the closest to the pools, so it can get a little bit noisy. But if you want a quieter area, there were also rooms in a secluded area, which looked as if you were in the middle of a forest, which was definitely a lot quieter. Again, there are plenty of activities here for kids. They have pedal carts, bicycle, mini golf, play area, bikes, and other activity areas here for the kids to keep them occupied. There were also toddlers play areas over here too. As for restaurants, there were 3 of them here. One which was a cafe style, one was more a pub style, and then you had a proper restaurant style. So depending on what you want to have for your meal, you can choose from any of these 3. I definitely recommend the Mama Bella's Pizza. They're open for dinner and the food is delicious. Cairns definitely gets hot. So they have 3 pools here for you to relax and cool yourself. There is the quiet, secluded pool which is more suitable for couples. And there's the kids pool area, part of which is even safe for kids and toddlers. And it also has a section where you can swim up to have a drink during the summer. The third pool is the most sought out pool. Even though this pool is very shallow at one end, the further you go in, the more it gets deeper. And it's definitely suitable for having a dive. They do have lounge chairs in all the pools where you can relax. But remember, during summer it can get a bit busy. And if you are staying here for a longer period or just want to wash the clothes after having a swim, there is a laundry here that you can use. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly and kid-friendly resort, which is not going to break your bank, then the Cairns Colonial Club Resort is very highly recommended. I'm Solomon and this is Wandering Sol, a channel about my life as a polymath, which includes traveling, learning and creating new things. If you found value in this video, make sure you click on the like button and share with any of your friends who you think this video will be useful. Until we see again in the next video, live curiously.